Techno spouse.
Okay. Do it again, please.
Welcome to Techno Dad Life. I took over the channel today to give you recommendations on what to get for the Techno spouse. Okay, so recommendation number one. Techno spouses love light bulbs, especially nicely colored ones. So if you look behind me, there is a colored light bulb which can be turned on and off with your very own phone. So Techno spouses love that. All right, so next, they love headphones. We've got wireless ones, nice pretty green color. It's very nice. They might even glow in the dark, I'm not sure, but they would love that. And these are wired ones, noise cancelling, excellent.
That's okay, that's perfect.
So the third recommendation is this. I think it's a little mini computer, and it even has two little slots that you can attach things into, whatever they're called. But I think that Techno spouses would really like this. And what goes along with that is this little mini keyboard. Like, who wouldn't love this cute little keyboard, because it's just so sweet and adorable. And the fourth thing is this little blender. Personally, I think this is the best one. Apparently, you can plug it right into your computer and you can make like healthy smoothies and keep your Techno spouse nourished, and healthy. So I think this is like the most important one, and it's really sweet. All right, so the last thing that you need to give your Techno spouse is love. I find that Techno spouses need lots of love and approval. And so what I like to do is I give approval for my Techno spouse to buy at least one Techno toy per month. Okay, so links to everything that I mentioned is in the description below. And make sure your Techno spouse watches this video. And have a great day. Bye-bye for now.